Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our subscriber family. In this video, we are going to do a box opening and a review and a look at one of the fastest 4K video rendering laptops that I have seen. This is the Asus ROG Strix G GL731. Come with us and we will show you how fast this thing really is. Now go grab something to take some notes because this laptop will change your experience with video rendering. Here's the stats to the laptop which I own and demonstrating in this video. Oh yeah, my new video editing laptop is here. Now let's go to the box opening. Alright guys, so here's what's in the box. This box was ordered from Exotic PC. This is off of Amazon, so these guys are actually upgraded the laptop. So here's what it is. The first thing you'll see here, this is the cooling fan, or extra cooling fan for the laptop. And what you see here is, I guess, a gamer's mouse. And the second thing is the mouse pad. And this is the important thing. This is the Asus ROG Strix G GL731GU. And it's been upgraded to have 32 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of NVMe SSD drive. And hopefully I will be able to render videos quicker, faster, and better. And now, let's take a look at the laptop. Alright guys, this is the Strix G from Asus. This is has one of the fastest chipsets in a laptop. And this is one of the fastest laptops to render YouTube videos. And let's take a look at it now. Has a beautiful black matte finish, and watch how fast this thing boots up. And you actually have lit keys, and you got lit lights under the laptop. It already booted up. And take a look at this. It is done. So what you see here is one of the fastest laptops. This laptop actually is about 20 times faster than my older laptop, which is only 2 years old. And this laptop renders a very long 20-minute or so 4K video in less than, I would say, about 2 hours versus 20-something hours in the old laptop. And to give you an idea how fast this is, I'm using the Sony Vegas 14 software to actually render videos. And in the old software, if you open the application, it takes over a minute to really open the entire thing. Watch this. Press a button. Notice this is ramping up, and depending on the system you have, I've seen it range from 2 to 3 minutes all the way down to maybe a minute. And this whole thing loaded up in less than 9 seconds. And this, again, the old laptop, it actually took over a minute to open up. And to see how fast this thing renders 4K, follow me and I will show you the video. Alright guys, so I am using the new Asus laptop to render a 4K video. This video is about 4 minutes. Generally in my old laptop it takes 4 hours to render. So let's see how fast this thing is. I'm gonna click on render and let's see where it goes. So remember, this is 4 hours before. Let's see how much time this takes to render 4K video. I'm already at 3%, and it looks like this is gonna take maybe 10 minutes, 11 minutes. It's still going. It's incredibly fast. And remember, this is 4K. And let's see where it goes and when it stops. So I'm doing the quarter mark on the video, and quarter or 25% here. It only took about 5 minutes. So what this actually means to me is that instead of 1 hour doing a minute of 4K video, now it is 5 minutes. Extremely fast, and I am really happy. And look at the frame rate, how it's jumping. Just incredible. Alright guys, we are at the 50% mark, and it's 10 minutes and 10 seconds. And just to let you know, again, this is 4K. I have 2 audio tracks and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually 4 video tracks. So this is actually a relatively complicated 4K video, and this 4K video is being rendered and gobbled up really fast. This leaves me a lot of time to prepare for other videos and so on and so forth. So this is the reason why I'm recommending this laptop. Okay, so this video completed rendering in 4K, and this 4-minute video took only 19 minutes to render. This is extremely fast, and I am very satisfied with this laptop. And no, I didn't forget about the accessories, so let's take a look at them now. This is what the cooling fan looks like. It's really, really cool. You're supposed to put the laptop on top of that and let the fan blow. And as it blows, it keeps the PC nice and cool and operating at optimal temperature. Okay, so this is what the mouse pad looks like, and this is what the performance mouse look as well. It's really cool looking. Really cool touch to it. You know, hopefully this will really add or actually reduce the time that's needed on the laptop to render things. Howdy, like those accessories, they're really cool looking. Well, the next video we are going to show you how fast this machine renders 1080p. For more information on this product, the Amazon affiliate link is in the body of this video. Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.